In this video, you're going to learn how to create a $5,000 to $10,000 or more monthly income with your very own software business. And you never have to create any of your own software to do it.
Guys, Pandora, the Postcard Diva, how's everybody doing? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the very first time, please smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Alright, I'm back, guys, with MSB, my software business. Just wanted to let you guys know there's an update. If you look right here, right now on the screen, this is the new sales page, okay, that they have created. It is live and it is working. This system, this software, allows you to be able to make $200 over and over, okay? You've seen me talk about it before, but they've made an update with it, okay? You can, I'm going to show you the new capture page. Check it out. Look at this. Okay, they got this new video right here. So when you opt in, you definitely want to go here. Watch that. It's pretty much an overview. So take some notes, grab your pen and paper. All right, like they say right here, the first 10 minutes of the presentation will tell you everything. So stay tuned, watch it, check it out. All right, you get access here, and they've added some additional tools. Here is another quick video of the marketing suite. Okay, it's $200 one time and $25 a month for you to get access to all the tools that they have in the suite. When you come down on the page right here, it shows you, here's a full demo of our automation marketing suite. And there's a video where Jeff Long himself goes over the suite of products here, okay, and the dashboard. So you can check that out as well. And they have the buttons here where you can get started, okay, quick and easy. Now, the automation marketing suite has everything you need to succeed, and they list them all here. Website, funnel builder, contact manager, two-way text and email, Google My Business messaging, web chat widget, online payment system, reviews and reputation manager, FB, which is your Facebook Messenger chat, Google My Business call tracking, analytics and reporting, missed call text back, text to pay. Yes, you must have access to these tools. I must have access to these tools, so you click that button right there to get it. Some more information. You're also getting access to the powerful Facebook marketing software on planet Earth. So if you're into Facebook marketing, they've added what they call the EL Messenger Pro. Okay, that will be included when you pay the $25 a month. So $200 and the $25 a month. Brand new software turns your Facebook Messenger into a color-coded CRM and generates targeted traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot using your Facebook profile. So for those of you interested in Facebook marketing and using your Facebook, here's a tool they've added. EL Messenger. Okay, so you can definitely go check this out. I'm going to put the link is in the description, and or you can call. I'm gonna list my phone number here as well for MSB. Another video, what others are saying about it. So they have a looks like a testimony there on this particular service. Okay, the Facebook Messenger service. And they keep stacking the products here. It says here, we're not done stacking, so they give you more, more, and more. And then, of course, you know, when it originated, it included OPP, what they call other people's products, when you log into your MSB back office dashboard, which I'll show you that real quick in a second, but you can take a look here. So here's my number here. 239-579-3543. Give it a jingle and test the system out. I opted in to my page just to make sure it is working correctly. So it works fine, but you can call this number, and or you can click the link in the description, and it's going to send you an email, which is pretty cool. And when you click the link, it will take you to the sales page as well. So either way, you're going to end up with the sales page, okay, so that you can actually take a look at the opportunity, quick overview of everything to see what it all entails. So the AI Success Coach will help you make the sales, which is the automated system, okay? That's by calling this number right here. So call it, check it out. 100% phone-based funnel. Get paid $200 instantly and directly for every sale you make of our product suite. And again, you're getting paid any way you want, guys. Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, crypto, okay? I've included my crypto wallet there, so if folks want to pay me via crypto, I welcome you, okay? We take credit cards as well. Make just one sale per day and you earn $6,000 a month, okay? That's the way they have it set up. That's what one sale a day is, because you make $200 per sale, okay? Instantly. Check out how we create leverage for you with our compensation plan without drawing pyramids, all right? So it's a great page. I love the way you can tell he took his time in getting this all set up. And here's another video with Jeff himself. So definitely go check this out, guys. I mean, look at this, and it just goes on and on. Here's everything you get, and he breaks that down right here on the page. All the access to what you're going to receive, okay? So $200 one time plus $25 a month gets you everything that's included and laid out on this page, okay? So right here also they have what they call the frequently asked questions, so go check that out as well. But let me show you in the dashboard really quick here. Let's take a look at that. Let me show you the new capture page. Hang on a second. Okay, right here is the new capture page that they've created. Get paid $200 over and over while building residual income with our own software business. So I tested it and I did receive an email, but be sure to check your spam folder. But I did receive it. It didn't go to spam. Put your name, your email, and phone number in, and you'll see how you go through the funnel. And it sent me an email, so they've got an autoresponder included. And then, as I stated, it's going to take you here. When you go to your email, you're going to get this email. You're going to get this link in the email, okay? So you will be able to go here, watch this video, and just go through the website. Everything that you need to know is on this page. You just have to take your time and go over it here, okay? And he has videos in here explaining pretty much everything that this entails, all right? So I'm going to put my number back up on the screen. I like this as well. So your new sales page is going to have your phone number included. So this is the MSB new sales page. Here's my number. Call it. Go check it out if you're interested in making $200 a pop. And now they have included a funnel. They didn't have that before, pretty much. I mean, they had the phone number system, but now you have the funnel, so you can actually go look at the phone numbers, which you could before, but now it's the CRM. You can see those, as well as now they have email follow-up series, okay? Whereas before, there's a third-party marketing system out there for MSB, which I also will put in the description so you can check that out. But MSB themselves, the company, have their own funnel now. All right, guys. So if you're interested in making $200 per sale instantly and directly any way you want, go check this out. Now, you know the parent company for MSB owns TechSpot as well. So if you're familiar with Jeff Long and TechSpot, same company, but this one has been around a while. It's just that they did an update. And here is a new update, so I want to bring that to you guys, all right? So definitely go check this out. Let me know if you have any questions, but go over this page first, because even down here, let's go down here. Check out the FAQ section first, okay? They may have already answered your question. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Do not forget to smash the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? Oh, one other thing real quick. Forgot to show you this. The OPP, other people's products. Hang on real sec. Real quick, hang on. Okay, so this is still included, the OPP, other people's products. So when you log into your MSB dashboard, click over here at Marketplace, okay? See right here, I am in my dashboard. It's me. So what's included in here? Let's move this out the way, actually. TechSpot. So if you're not a part of TechSpot, you can actually join me in that. You can go through this system and you'll see it in the your back office, okay? Or also put the link in the description. But it's included in MSB. So it's offering other opportunities under one umbrella. So not just MSB, okay? It's promoting TechSpot. If you're in that Yes Machine, you can put your link in there on that. Unlock Elevation, which is a great personal development course. I highly recommend it. And then they've included Savings Highway. Okay, so just by being an MSB reseller, because that's what you're going to be when you pay the $200 and the $25, you're able to plug in your TechSpot link, you're able to plug in your Yes Machine link, you're able to plug in your Unlock with Elevation link, and you're able to plug in your Savings Highway link, okay, just because you're a reseller of MSB. So that's the OPP, other people's products, okay, and that's what they're talking about right here on the sales page. When they say the OPP Marketplace is perfect for promoting multiple affiliate offers and opportunities, that's what they're talking about inside of the dashboard of your My Software business. All right, guys. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Again, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. You guys be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.